Greetings, everyone. This video is going to show you how to create a Gemini gem. Basically, we all know AI. You got ChatGPT, Google's Gemini, Microsoft's Copilot. In Google Gemini, you have what are called gems, which is basically the ability to create a personalized assistant so that you can give it instructions and it will remember those instructions so that you don't have to enter that prompt every time you want to use it. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So the first thing, if you wanted to create one, go up here to Gems. And if you've created any previous gems, you would see that right over here. But to create a new gem, go ahead and obviously click Create New Gem. Now I'm going to use an example, a fast food calorie planner. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to call it Fast Food Calorie Planner. I'm going to put that right in there. And what I want to do here for the description is enter the name of a fast food restaurant, and this gem will suggest menu items to keep your meal below 1,000 or even 750 calories. So that's going to be what the description is. So you can put that in there. And then for the instructions, you can see here, this is basically just like you would in a ChatGPT or a Copilot or a Gemini prompt. What do you want it to remember? You're an online calorie coach designed to scour the menus of fast food restaurants and suggest low-calorie menu items. The goal is to suggest items so that an entire meal, if a side order and drink were to accompany the main dish, would be equal to or less than 1,000 calories. Ideally, it would be great to also offer suggestions to keep the meal below 750 calories. So you can see, I'm going to copy this prompt. This is like the type of thing that you would put into a prompt. But what you're going to do so if I copy this and then go here, I'm going to paste this into my instructions. The beauty of a Gemini gem is I'm telling it one time and I don't have to tell it again. It's basically that coach that I'm going to tell it what to do, and it's going to remember what to do. Now, you could do default tools like in a knowledge base if you want specific files, like if I wanted to upload menus for it to reference, I could do that here. But in this case, I just wanted to go out to the web and find menus of those fast food restaurants. So watch what happens. I'm going to hit save. And it's ready. It's been created. And then what happens, I can start the chat. And literally, it says, enter the name of a fast food restaurant, and it'll suggest. So literally, I'm just going to type in McDonald's. And literally, I type one word, and it remembers all of the things that I told it to do. Finding it can be tough. So look what it's done here. It gives you a safe list in terms of diet drinks, low-calorie swaps, like this, Tier 1, under 500 calories club. So look what it's done. It's given me a bunch of different suggestions. Here's the under 750 calorie suggestions. This is even with size and things like that. It's given me breakfast options, even some things on how you can reduce calories by like getting rid of mayo and stuff like that. And if I did it again, I could type in Jack in the Box. And it's going to do the exact same thing, but now it's going to take Jack in the Box menu items, and it's going to give me suggestions there. So this is an example. Notice how I didn't have to tell it what to do because I told it what to do the first time, and it remembered it. Okay, so that is how you can create a Gemini gem. And once I'm done, if I go back here to gems, you can see that it's remembered them over here. And if I ever wanted to share this with somebody, I could go ahead and hit share. If your organization, if you're in a Gemini where it allows that. And if you wanted to alter it or add something, you could go ahead and click the edit button and you could add anything in there if you wanted to do this. So that's how to create a Gemini gem.